Today, I'll show you how to take down sand rollers in LEGO Fortnite so you can farm their drops safely. Sand rollers are tough desert creatures you'll find roaming in Dry Valley. They have high health, and their rolling attacks can deal massive damage if you're not careful. The best way to fight them is with ranged weapons like a bow or crossbow. Keep your distance and fire while they're walking. Once they start rolling, move quickly to the side to dodge. Woo. If you only have melee weapons, wait until the sand roller stops rolling. Then move in for a few hits before backing away, repeating this until it goes down. Remember, you can only hit them from the front, because hitting them from the back deals no damage. Bring food and healing items, because their charge attacks hit hard. Having higher tier weapons like rare swords or bows make the fight much easier. Once defeated, sand rollers can drop useful resources like sand roller shells, which you'll need for advanced crafting and upgrades. And that's how you beat sand rollers in LEGO Fortnite. Stay mobile, fight smart, and you'll take them down with ease.